Hi, my name's Celeste and this is Kitchening. Today I'll be showing you how I make overnight oats. It's a really simple recipe, but it's really filling. So stay tuned and let's get kitchening. So we'll start with the oats. I'm pouring them into a mason jar and I'm using a spoon to help me guide the oats so I don't make a mess. And I think mason jars are really just practical. You wake up in the morning, you grab your oats in your jar and you're good to go. So I have half a cup of rolled oats straight into a mason jar. Then I add a half a cup of milk, and I'm using whole cow milk. So if you want to make this vegan, you can just use almond milk or coconut milk. And then I add a quarter cup of plain yogurt, which serves to make our overnight oats creamy. But if you want to make this vegan, you can just rule out the yogurt or use vegan plain yogurt. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. You can replace this with maple syrup or a bee-free honey. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to give our overnight oats a pudding-like consistency. So we're making strawberry flavored overnight oats. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of diced strawberries. But honestly, if you really like strawberries, just go ahead and add more. Now I'm mixing all of this together, and then I'm adding about a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is really optional. I love cinnamon, so I did add it, but if you don't like cinnamon, you can just leave it out. Now let's mix this up again and cover it up and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, but optimally overnight. So this recipe holds up to about 6 days in the fridge, so you can make a few jars of this and be all set for the week. Enjoy!